Okay, thank you so much for your time, Teresa, and meeting with me today. It's been a pleasure learning a little bit about your experience. You definitely have a lot of it and a lot of
Mhm.
really great skill sets. So I'd like to give you the opportunity now to tell me a little bit about your experience, bookkeeping, finance and accounting. So you have the floor.
Oh, thank you. I've been, well, I originally was working for a company called Circuit Technology, and I worked 10 years as an accounts payable manager, and then I was promoted to a head bookkeeper. And the company started out about 36 employees, and when I left, there was about 700, and we had 5 buildings. So it was from Marconi GEC had taken over Circuit Technology. And I also worked 5 years as an accounting manager for a manufacturer, um, multi-line technology. And they actually manufactured circuit boards. So I went from circuit boards to circuit board manufacturing. And then I worked for a power supply company. So basically, most of it was in my in electronics. But I have done quite a bit. I worked in Ormond for a CPA firm, and I worked for a company called CPS over there, and we used to do about 36 bank recs and close to almost $1 billion a month, and I had to reconcile them, and I had to do all of the financial, and they were about a year behind, so I had to get everything caught up. And you know, so I've had quite a bit of experience, and I've done a few other things in hotels and stuff where I've been the bookkeeper and did rentals, and I've had my own business for 7 years also. So,
Okay. And we talked a little bit about some of your computer experience. You have
mm,
QuickBooks, desktop, and online.
mm,
How are your Excel skills?
very good. I mean, I did a lot of analysis work using Excel, and so,
Okay.
it's very
So
good.
yeah, so lots of
Mm,
financial analysis, reporting, as
mm,
well as some customer service. I
yeah.
understand that
Mhm.
you've done, and you were telling me about you've done some payroll, you've done some HR, on
Yeah,
the
I've
back
done the
side of it.
payroll. Yeah, I've done payrolls for small companies. I was in
Okay.
charge of the payrolls for the larger companies also. And
Okay.
so I've done, a wide range of stuff. So
Okay. And then you were telling me that you're an AP manager, so you've got lots of experience, AP, AR, GL. And then a little bonus on top is that you do have your CAM license.
yes, I do. And I'm also a
Okay.
notary.
Okay, and a notary. And so that does come back to the CAM license that we did talk a little bit about, but at this point in time, you did say that you do prefer to do the bookkeeping or
Right.
accounting
Mhm,
side. Okay, fair enough. I understand that. Property management is definitely a whole different entity, if you will.
mhm.
Um, as far as your availability, when are you available to start?
I would be available by next week sometime. I would
Okay,
be
so next
available.
week. And you've worked, it looks like, for, a couple temp assignments here, some like it was tallying up some of your work history here, some permanent direct hire roles, and let's see here, manufacturing experience. Yeah, you have a really, really great skill set, great resume. All right, Teresa, well, I'm going to go ahead and stop this part of the interview, but don't go anywhere. We got a few more things to chat about.
Okay,
Thank you.
sure.